Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial on how to install and configure the Mimecast Mobile App. Firstly, go onto the Play Store and search for Mimecast Mobile. Tap on Install and wait for the app to be downloaded. Once the installation has finished, tap on Open. Click Get Started. Enter your email address and then tap Next. Enter your password. This is the same password used to log into your laptop or desktop. Make sure that domain authentication is ticked and then tap on Next. Mimecast Mobile now asks you to set up a 6-digit PIN code. Repeat this to confirm it. The app will then ask for you to confirm your settings by touching the fingerprint sensor. You can now use the fingerprint or the 6-digit PIN code that you've set earlier to access the app. A short guide on how to use the app will appear. Read through the guide by swiping left and then tap Done when you have finished. You will notice that the app's online inbox contains all of the emails that you have received in the last 58 days, even ones that you have deleted from within Outlook. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch our other tutorials on this channel.